The next element we get to set is ad copy. And if you saw on our original screen, you saw that each of those links had a number of lines of text surrounding it. And you get to define exactly what those lines of text say. Now, Google does have some editorial guidelines which they make you follow. But what you can do is you can write your own ad. The ad will be delivered. And Google will record how many times it's delivered, how many times it's clicked, and I'll give you a click-through ratio for that ad. And you can see right here that all these different ads are performing in different ways. And what we can do is that we can then turn around, pause or delete ads that aren't working, X this one out, and increase traffic to ads that are working. And this will allow us to build better ad copy that converts better. The other element, see right here, it shows a display URL. The other element is this will allow us to have a destination URL. So if we have an ad about a Honda Accord, we're able to deep link this ad directly to our Honda Accord inventory. And by doing so, we create much more relative content of what the user was searching for, and typically a much higher conversion ratio. Finally is ad delivery. Someone typed in 2010 Accord, Honda Accord. We bid on that keyword. We set our maximum cost per click. We wrote an ad that we'd like to show up. So for example, here we have LaFontaine Honda. They targeted the 2010 Honda Accord keyword. They wrote their copy that said special pricing on Honda Accord, huge inventory, new and pre-owned. They're showing you what link they're going to land to. Now where this ad shows up, being first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, or eighth, is determined by the bid, keyword, quality score, and a couple other factors. Now earlier we talked about the quality score, and this is why it's important. You'll see this little balloon next to your keywords in your Google search window. And if you roll over, it will tell you your quality score. This quality score is a 7 out of 10, which is a high quality score. You'll see that the keyword relevance, no problem. Landing page quality, no problem. Landing page load time, no problem. So we like to say, why does Google care whether you have a high quality score or not? Well, Google makes a business having people search their search engine and return relevant information. If every time you went to Google and searched and it returned a bunch of gibberish to you or sites you weren't looking for, how often would you go to it? So that's why the quality score is important. Maintain a high quality score and your overall cost per bid goes down. Maintain a low score and you have to pay more to stay in the search engines. Have a bad enough quality score and they'll take your ad right out of the search engines. I'm going to go through real quick here how that works and why it works. Your quality score times your maximum bid equals your ad rank. So again, if you had a quality score of 7, a bid of 2, that would give you an ad rank of 14. Let's give an example here. Back on the Duncan Nissan dealership. The keyword I'm targeting is Altima. I'm a Nissan dealership, so that's a pretty relevant term to target. I have a quality score of 7. I have a maximum bid of $4. That gives me an ad rank of 28. Let's say Atlanta Toyota is competing against me, and they want to buy the keyword Altima to bring you to their Camry inventory. Well, clearly someone searching for Altima isn't as relevant to a Toyota site. So they have a quality score of 4. But they'll bid more than me. They'll bid $6 to my 4. They end up with an ad rank of 24. When you look at this, my $4 bid puts me in rank number 1, and their $6 bid puts them in rank number 2. The quality score modifies the bid to give you an ad rank. So my Duncan Nissan's ad rank of 28 is higher than Atlanta Toyota's ad rank of 24. So despite spending more, Duncan Nissan still ranks higher. And that's why quality scores are so important to the process. Now there are two different sections if we showed you. We have the paid search that's above the organic search, and we have the paid search that is to the right of the organic search. To be above the organic search, you need to have your ad rank exceed a certain threshold. What is that threshold? Well, Google doesn't tell you. Google decides what the thresholds are. They're different for categories. They're different for keywords. Realistically, if you're advertising for your product and it is the product someone's searching for, you can expect to be above the organic search. But the ad rank that is above, the ad copy above the organic search needs to meet a particular threshold. Next, we have ad position rotation. So the person in position 1 obviously is listed number 1, 2, and 3. And then they move off onto the right side, 4, 5, 6. But when a user goes to the second page of search results, number 4 moves up to the top, and there's only one sponsored link above the organic, and then it's 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And when you get to page 3, it's 1, 2, 3 again, and then ad rank 12, 13, and 14. If you're looking for first page rankings, it's important to be realistically 6 or lower. So between quality score and our bids, you can determine how high you show in the search engines, and how high your rankings typically do a pretty good job of creating more click-throughs for you.